Okay, so we have this vertical mover, and what it's doing right now is it jumps to the green position and then moves across space in time to travel. So that'll be 3 seconds to go from that position to the other position, and it starts moving downward. The script also allows you to say, well, it should start moving upward instead, and it will start at the red position. So if I look at my vertical mover object, and it might be a little bit too small over here, you can see that there's a green dot and a red dot. If I were to take those and change their locations, and then say it's going to travel that distance in 3, it's going to go off the screen and then come back. It will go up because it's moving upward first, and then it moves, and then while it's playing, we can make it speed up so we can kind of tune how long it takes to travel. So this gives us some functionality to not only add things, but also to start to tune the gameplay.